Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be extending the Doodle app that we have. Currently we have a canvas on the screen and as you can see I can do some doodling with some change of colors, and I can clear the screen as well. And what we're going to be doing in this short lesson here is we're going to make use of the slider, right, to change the width of the brush, the paintbrush that we are using on the canvas. Okay, so in the designer view, what we need to do is to click on the slider and drag it out. Okay, so you can put it anywhere you like on your screen. Right, and once it is there, as you can see, it appears on your components column over here. And with the slider one selected, what I want you to do is select the width. All right, and currently it is automatic, and I want you to select it to say fill parent. Okay, once you say fill parent, as you can see, it occupies the full width of the screen, right? And it has a minimum value of 50, maximum value, minimum value of 10, maximum value of 50, and the current thumb position is at 30. All right. Now, what we need to do after this is just go to our blocks view. Okay, and in our blocks view, okay, we're going to click on the slider one that we have just selected. All right, and we're going to take the first block which says when slider one dot position changed. Okay, when slider one dot position changed. Okay, so that means this block will get activated whenever the slider's position is changed in your phone. All right, what we want to do is you want to update the width of the paintbrush. All right, so let's click on the canvas one. Okay, when you click on the canvas one, we're going to go down and select the option that says set canvas one dot line width. Okay, set canvas one dot line width, and click it and drag it to the position here when slider one dot position changed. Okay, and then we're going to move our mouse over the small rectangle that says thumb position and take the first option that says get thumb position. Okay, we're going to click it here. So what are we doing? We are going to take the thumb position, all right, whenever the slider's position has changed, and we are going to assign that to the canvas one dot line width. Okay, so now if you go back to our just look at our screen now. Okay, whenever I move my slider and I start to draw, you can see that the line width changes. All right, so if you go back to our designer view, you can see that it is currently set at a minimum value of 10 and maximum value of 50. So if you think that the maximum value of 50 is for example too thick, all right, you can always change the minimum or maximum. Okay, so I can change minimum to 1 and maximum to 20. So in this case, okay, when I go to 20, it is still not that thick. All right, and if I go down, okay, it becomes smaller and smaller. Alright, so that is one way in which you can extend this Doodle app, okay, by including this slider to change the brush width of your paintbrush. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will share more tips with you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.